Hi friends, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome again in the channel SJP Education of YouTube channel. Today's topic is type of pronouns. Before going to the topic, I will going to request you all of you guys. First request is that if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And second one is, if you like the video, please like and share the video to your friends, to your relatives and in your groups, so we could able to reach more and more people and friends like you. And third one request is, please if you have any doubts and queries about the videos and about the topic, please comment in the box. And another one is, if you are our well wishers and want to some good words for our channel, for our teaching, for our topic, please comment in the box. We will going to reply you very fast. Let's go on to the topic, type of pronouns. Type of pronouns. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is the word which use for the noun in the same in the sentence, in other sentence also, like Sita is a clever student. Then in another sentence we can't use Sita again and again repeatedly, so there we can use she for the behalf of Sita, the noun. So that is a pronoun. Okay, the word which is used for the noun, for the behalf of noun, is called pronoun. Okay. There are some types of pronoun, like personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, intensive pronoun, or emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronoun, distributive pronoun, and exclamatory pronouns. Okay, let's see topic in detail. Personal pronoun, pronouns that refer to a specific person or thing in sentence is called personal pronoun. Example: I, we, he, she, it, they, you. Okay, these are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns that refers to a specific person or thing in sentence. Okay. Then second is possessive pronoun. It's actually a type of personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun is a actually type of personal pronoun. These pronoun that shows ownership, then that pronoun is possessive pronoun. The pronoun which shows ownership, that is a possessive pronoun, like my, your, our, her. These are possessive pronouns. Okay. Then third number is reflexive pronoun. Pronoun that used to show that subject of the sentence is receiving the action of the verb is called reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself, herself, himself, all these are reflexive pronouns. Then fourth number is intensive pronoun, which also called emphatic pronoun. That is a big topic here. Pronouns that are used only to place emphasis on the subject are not essential to the meaning of the sentence. Okay, note, so same as the reflexive pronoun, but they act differently. Always place next to the subject that they are emphasizing. Okay, you yourself must go to the school. You yourself, you is the subject of the sentence. That exactly next is yourself, as like always place next to the subject. Yourself must go to the school. Okay, this is a emphatic pronoun or intensive pronoun. Okay, means emphatic and intensive pronoun are like reflexive pronoun, are like reflexive pronoun, which are myself, yourself, herself, are reflexive pronoun. But here the same pronoun are used, reflexive pronoun, when it are used differently, act differently in sentence. Okay, act differently in sentence. Okay, the reflexive pronoun and intensive pronoun words are same but act differently in that category. Okay. The fifth number is demonstrative pronoun. It demonstrates the noun or pronoun that are used to identify noun, like these, that, these, those. Okay, these are demonstrative pronoun. Sixth number is interrogative pronoun that are used only in the reference to a question. Pronoun that are used only in reference to a question is called interrogative pronoun: which, who, what, etc. Seven number is relative pronouns that are used to connect clarifying information to noun and other pronouns: who, that, which, whom, whose, whoever, whichever, whatever, whomever are relative pronoun. Okay. Then eight number is indefinite pronouns that are used to reference to a person or thing that is not specific. Here pronoun that refer to a specific person, personal pronoun, but in indefinite pronoun that are used to reference to a person or thing that is not specific or not known is called indefinite pronouns. Everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, somebody are some example of indefinite pronoun. Okay. Now, 9 number, reciprocal pronoun. Pronoun that are used to refer to a mutual set of people. Pronouns that are used to refer to a mutual set of people, like one another, one another's, each other, each others. Okay, set of people, set of one another, one another's, each other, each others. Okay, are reciprocal pronoun. 10 number is distributive pronoun that used at the place of noun that shows the noun in distributive way, like each, everyone, either, neither are distributive pronoun. And exclamatory pronoun are how, what, shows feelings. Okay, are exclamatory pronoun. Thus, there are 10 type of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, intensive or emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, distributive pronoun, and exclamatory pronoun. This is the end of topic. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, like and share the video to your friends and relatives and in your group. If you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any queries about the topic, please comment in the box. We will go give reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Meet you in next video. Thank you very much.